Are you wondering whether it's the right time to buy or sell Blue Owl Capital stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Blue Owl Capital. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, February 12, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. To stay updated on our latest analysis, remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. From November 3, 2023, our system has ranked Blue Owl Capital as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 7.72. Now, let's take a closer look at the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 33.41% since we first listed Blue Owl Capital as a buy candidate 68 days ago. This means an average return of 0.49% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. The stock has recently broken a strong and steady upward trend, indicating a potentially even stronger rate of growth. If there is any pullback, there will be support at the previous trend level of $17.10, which could provide a second chance for the stock to continue its upward momentum. According to fan theories, the next potential resistance level is at $18.92, which may pose a challenge to overcome initially. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 23.51% change expected over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 6.74% and 19.41%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 32.58% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging between -2.15% and 36.57%. This suggests a price range of $17.31 to $24.16 after a year. Our latest update for Blue Owl Capital brings good news. The stock price of Blue Owl Capital Incorporated experienced a green day on Monday, gaining 1.26%. On the last trading day, the stock rose from $17.47 to $17.69. This marks the 5th consecutive day of gains. We're excited to see if this positive trend continues or if there will be a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated between a low of $17.35 and a high of $17.80, reflecting a 2.59% difference. In the past 10 days, the stock has risen in 7 instances, with an overall increase of 10.84% in the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased by 10 million shares on the last day, with a total of 7 million shares traded for approximately $120.55 million. It's worth noting that a decrease in volume, accompanied by higher prices, can indicate divergence and potentially signal upcoming changes in the next couple of days. Looking at the bigger picture, over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $18.32, while the lowest price recorded was $9.70. Currently, the price is 3.44% or $0.630 below the 52-week high of $18.32, which also happens to be the all-time high for this stock. Today, I'll be discussing the analyst ratings for OWL, a company that has been making waves in the market. Let's start with the latest update. On Monday, February 12, 2024, Goldman Sachs gave OWL a buy grade with a hold action. Moving on to Friday, May 5, 2023, Oppenheimer upgraded OWL's rating to outperform with an upgrade action. On Thursday, January 12, 2023, Keefe Bruyette & Woods downgraded OWL to a market perform grade. Back in September 2022, Deutsche Bank gave OWL a buy grade with an initialize action. Lastly, on Tuesday, December 14, 2021, UBS also gave OWL a buy grade with an initialize action. Analysts have given Blue Owl Capital stock a general strong buy rating. They believe that this stock has great potential for growth and success. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy, indicating that the stock is undervalued and has a favorable price compared to its earnings. Additionally, the price-to-book ratio is also rated as strong buy, suggesting that the stock is attractively priced compared to its book value. In terms of return on investment, the analysts give the stock a buy rating. This indicates that the stock has the potential to generate favorable returns for investors. The following signals have been identified for Blue Owl Capital. Today, the chart shows mostly positive signals for Blue Owl Capital Incorporated stock. Both short-term and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, suggesting a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals also supports a buy signal, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In case of any corrections downward, there will be support from the lines at $16.44 and $15.40. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will issue sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, January 31, 2024. Since then, the stock has risen by 13.84%. This indicates a potential for further rise until a new top pivot is found. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. However, it is worth noting that volume fell during the last trading day despite gaining prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning. Therefore, it is advised to closely monitor the stock. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, there is a buy signal. Pivots, a buy signal was generated 9 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal was generated 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal was generated 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, a sell signal was generated 43 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, a sell signal was generated 21 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal was generated 120 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages, a buy signal was generated 157 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Blue Owl Capital. Blue Owl Capital Incorporated currently has support from accumulated volume at $17.47. This is an important level to watch as it may provide a buying opportunity. When support is tested, we often see an upward reaction in the stock price. In terms of risk, Blue Owl Capital has average movements during the day. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. On the last trading day, the stock moved $0.450 between its high and low points, which is equivalent to a 2.59% change. Over the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 3.33%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for Blue Owl Capital, it's important to understand some key fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This critical ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high P/E ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors have high growth expectations for the company. Today, let's dive into the potential day trading levels for Blue Owl Capital. When analyzing the accumulated volume, we can see that there's no significant resistance above. This indicates that the stock has the potential to move upward swiftly, given the right conditions. It might be a good opportunity to enter a position and closely monitor the volume to determine the optimal time to exit. On the downside, Blue Owl Capital encounters its first support level at $17.47. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound in the stock's price. According to multiple analyst sources, Blue Owl Capital has a strong buy rating. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. On January 29, 2024, Glide Path Solutions 2020, LP sold 2 million shares of Class A common stock. On December 1, 2023, Kirshenbaum Allen bought 200,000 shares of Class C shares. On December 1, 2023, Kirschenbaum Allen also bought 200,000 shares of Blue Owl Operating Group units. On December 1, 2023, Lorino Andrew Charles purchased 156,737 shares of Class A shares. On December 1, 2023, Reddy Nina acquired 389,408 shares of Class A shares. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 24.264. In total, insiders bought 53,943,152 shares and sold 34,217,886 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss for this stock at $17.19, which is a decrease of 2.84%. This particular stock tends to have moderate daily movements, indicating a medium level of risk. The RSI 14 is currently at 83, which significantly increases the risk. However, we should note that there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 8 days ago. Is Blue Owl Capital stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals for Blue Owl Capital stock. It has also broken the rising trend, indicating an even stronger rate of rising. As a result, we believe there is a buying opportunity at the current level and a fair chance for the stock to perform well in the short-term period. However, when analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have found that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Tuesday, February 13th, we expect Blue Owl Capital to open down $0.0767 and start trading at $17.61. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It's always recommended to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please be aware that StockInvest.us does not serve as the sole basis for your investment choices. By accessing and using the information provided, you acknowledge and assume full responsibility for your investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be taking a look at the current view of a stock. We value your opinion, so please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated with our latest videos. We hope you have a successful trading experience and a beautiful day.